Hello everyone, it's George, and today I decided to teach you guys how to create an intro for your YouTube videos. There were a lot of questions. People were asking me how to create an intro, similar intro that you have on your videos. So today I decided to show you guys how to do it. As you know, intro is a very important part. It makes our channel's quality higher. So get back to our computers and find out how to create a good intro for our videos. So guys, this is a website where we create an intro. It's called penzoid.com. Here's the main page where when we scroll down here we'll see more creations, and let's click the top ones. Here there are already made intros, and we can open them and edit them the way we want. So let's choose one of them, for example this one. Open it in Clip Maker, and first thing we should do is click this eyeball icon and find out how does it look. It has music. Let's turn it off. It's quite good, guys. It's beautiful. Now we start editing it. First thing is resolution. When we click the stick icon, here we will choose the video resolution. I use Full HD videos, so this option is good. Okay, it's okay for me. You can set higher resolution or lower. It's on you. Here you can set frame rate. Here you can set the length of the video. For example, let's make it 16 seconds long. Then we want to change this text. It's called name. It's written name, and let's change it. From here you find out two options which are called name. Let's make it let's change it to George Basics. Sorry guys. When you change it, you click enter, and you see that it's too long. Now we want to reduce the size. From here, height, let's choose 14. Background, it has black background, which is this. Also change the size to 14 for the background, and it's quite good now. We can choose the font from here. Bloody font is I like this bloody font. I won't change it, but if you don't like, you can change it from here. Guys, there are a lot of options. I tried to explain it as the simple way, but you have a lot of time. You can come here and you find out a lot of other options, guys. I just teach you guys the basic options to create an intro. And now we want to change the color of the text. Background has black, the shadow has a black color. It's black is good for the shadow. Let's keep it, and let's change this purple color to red, for example, and you see that it's changed to red. And it looks better than purple. To change the music, if you don't like the music which is already in intro, you can change it from here. You click the music icon and then click here select and choose and select your favorite song. But remember one thing, the song should be copyright free. Then you should watch the intro from the beginning and find out how does it look. Finally, when intro is done, Now we can download it from this option. You go here, and here you choose the quality. My advice is to choose extreme quality, but it takes much more time to download. Start with the render and wait some time. After this time you're finished, you can download the intro and put it in your videos. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, you can click the like button. You can subscribe my channel and wait for other videos on my channel. Thank you for watching.